Okay, y'all. We're going to change that front tire. That's something really simple. I'm going to make a video of it just because I can. I done wore out the rear tire. I'm not going to change it till I smoke it off. Then I'll change it after it cools down. But tonight, since I got the tires shipped to me and delivered today, the front tire is going to be changed to an E-Huntsman. Hopefully, somebody enjoys my little video. So the first thing, this thing right here on the floor, did you throw it out when you got your goddamn bike? Because you should have kept it. Did you cut it up and make something to hold that bag on the top? Shouldn't have done that. Okay, so I'm going to do like all these other YouTubers do. I'm trying to one-hand it. I got my wrench right here. And I know it's kind of dark, but that's not going to matter because we're just taking a tire off. First of all, we got that nut loose. Now we're going to loosen up this one. Okay, both nuts are loose. You can spin them a little bit. That's all you need to do. Alright? Then pop the tire off and set it down on that thing that you threw out, because that'll hold your bike up while you're changing the damn tire. Anyhow, so let's do that. I'm going to have to set the phone down for a second. Yeah, that's just the way it is. Wow, that's actually simple. Okay, so see that? I got the tire off right here. Set that down on your floor like that. See what I did? I used that thing. You put the foot towards the back and you set it down on there, and you don't touch the goddamn bike until you're ready to put it all back together. Otherwise, it's going to fall over. So there's the tire. Next thing we got to do, we got to let the air out of this tire. You know what else is in there? Flat out. But that don't matter. You think it matters? It don't matter. It's flat out. If you do it right, you're not going to have a freaking problem. So here's my valve tool. Alright? Give me a second. I'm going to let the air out of it. There, maybe you can see if I do it right. Okay, Let's see what we got here. All right, there we go. So what you need to do, first of all, take your little cap off. I know. You know, while you're here, you got the tire off, you can inspect your brake disc. See, it's got all kinds of grooves cut in it. Then you need to change your freaking brakes. All right. So, stand your tire up. Put your valve stem at 12 o'clock. You know. Let the air, take your valve stem out. Like so. It's kind of hard to actually get in there and do it, but woo, baby, it don't smell too good, but that's all right. Well, like I said, it has flat out in it. Did you see it? That's at midnight, 12 o'clock. It ain't even dripping out of there. But it's in there. I know it's in there because I put it in there. Okay, so now that we got the air out the tire, I've got to be careful. I forgot to get my little tools out of the bike. And the bike's just balancing on that little foot. But if you're careful, you can do it. Yes, I'm still watching that video on TV. I got the sound turned down low enough so I'm not infringing on somebody's fucking copyrights. Are you kidding me? There's my little air pump. Oh, I got 4 little tire tools. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right there. I don't know. That tire pump ain't much, but it does the job. And there's my little tire tools. I got them from Amazon. You get any kind you want, it don't matter. They're just plastic tire tools. So, we're gonna get that tire off of there. Hang on. Oh, there's my lighter. I'm doing, this is real world shit. I got a drink, I got a bowl, and I got a cigarette. We ain't playing games. We're just changing a tire. Yes, sirree. Just changing the tire. I'm trying to do it in a goddamn hurry, but so I guess start at the valve stem. Why not? It doesn't really matter. Take that tire tool of yours and do like that. You see that? It's hooked on a spoke. I got the goddamn other end under the bead. And take your other one. Okay, maybe you need to go down here just a little bit. I ain't a pro at doing this. I'm just a retired mechanic. Okay? Trying to figure it out. Trying to show anyone who wants to know how to do it. This is how you do it. Right? It's not hard. You don't have to go and pay. My buddy paid like $30 to have somebody do what I'm doing. And that's just ridiculous, to be honest with you. $30 to change a bicycle fucking tire. Come on. See? Sometimes it just don't go like you want it to do. Just work at it. That's all you got to do. Like I said, I'm no pro. I ain't done 100 of these. This is the second set I've changed on this bike. I went and bought these cheap ass tires, and that was just stupid. You really want to know? So there we go. Whoa. Pop on up there. There we go. Okay. We're making progress. I think I might be able to just slide this around. Yeah, it's out enough now. Once you get about 5 or 6 inches of it out, you can just do it by hand. I mean, it's a freaking bicycle tire. It ain't a car tire. It's a bicycle tire. So now, you keep your valve stem, try and keep it to 12 o'clock. That's the best thing you can do. Keep your valve stem up as much as you possibly can. Okay? So we got this side off. I'm going to reach in there in the opening. Where's my valve stem? I'm going to pull that valve stem, reach in there. You got plenty of room in a 4x20 tire. To reach in there, grab hold of the tube, grab hold of the valve stem, keep it up at midnight, slip it right on out. Just like that. Hang your tire somewhere, or hang your inner tube somewhere until you're ready for it again, okay? So, I carefully just hung mine over my bicycle. That's balancing on the little foot. Okay. The rest of this stuff you can pretty much do by hand. That tire's off. Oh, didn't you see it? Sorry. It's off. There it lies. If you buy that kind of tire right there, you buy that brand of tire, I don't know what to tell you. I really don't. Send me the $40. Rotate your factory tires. Okay, baby. Now. Here's my look. Huntsman's. I just got these today. Oh, baby. Are you freaking kidding me? Look at that. Look at the tread on that sucker. Oh, these are sweet tires. Which way do they go on? Come on. Quit playing with me. Where's the arrow? They're directional. There's the rotation. Right? You got to check that. Don't just slap them on the goddamn rim. Alright? Has to go on the right way. So, we're going to get around there. And that's just going to take another second or so. Okay. So there's the brake. The tire rolls this direction. Okay. There's the arrow. Says the rotation. Oh, that means I got to turn that around that way, right there. Okay. Lay your freaking tire down. You pulled it off by hand, or you can put it back on by hand. It's that simple. Don't put it on, just put one side on. Then you got to get your inner tube back in there. So find your valve stem hole. There it is. Right there. Get that up to midnight. I got her at midnight. Okay. Now here's the inner tube. See it? See how easy it goes in there? Just like, I don't know what to tell you. It's not a hard thing to do. I gotta get a tripod so I can make a video next time, a real video. Okay, then when you get it all in there, you're just gonna want to kind of wiggle it and kind of make it do what it's supposed to do. Where's that hole at? Oh, there. Okay. There. So, I got my inner tube in. Except I want this to go down further. You want to make sure that your valve stem is all the way down in that hole. It's going to stick out about 1.5 inches when you got it all the way in. Then, grab hold of your rim, lift it off the ground, and then just kind of wiggle it, shake it a little bit. That will allow the tube to fall into the proper position. Okay? Lay your tire back down. And it's that freaking simple. I'm not kidding you. There it is. That's it. I don't change the tire. Let's see. Whoops.